Hi, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee. I've got this Jura E6 here. So this machine came in for a tune-up. There were some issues with the milk spout here, it's clogged, and so it wasn't frothing the milk. Then in the tune-up, I removed the brew unit, deep cleaned the whole thing, and lubricated it. Put it back together with a new gasket. Here's that old brew gasket, and I cleaned the screen as well. I also replaced it. Here's that old one, and now I'm just going to pull a shot to show everything's working. And then I'll show the milk steamer too. So I just have detergent and water in here. It should act like milk and create a stable foam. Hopefully you can see that there, the foam on top. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching.